October of 1980, the Dodge Motor Company announced it was retiring its ever-successful D-Series pickup truck. In its place, the bold, new, rebadged little brother, the Dodge Ram. Over the next few decades, the Ram pickup would undergo several changes, both visibly and mechanically. Fast forward to 2018, however, and Dodge made waves in the automotive market by dropping an absolute bombshell of a truck. I'm Dustin with Custom Offsets, and today we're going to be sweeping the headlights back, loading the bed up, and just finding out what's the hype with the 5th Gen Ram. As always, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing you guys the truck content you love the most. Also, if you need wheels, tires, or suspension for your 5th Gen Ram, or your 4th Gen, or your 3rd Gen, you can find that.
CustomOffsets.com, baby!
Yeah, this guy gets it. CustomOffsets.com is where you're gonna find that. When it comes to domestic pickup trucks, Ram has always had a seat at the table with the big three. From the square and boxy W series to the iconic cross grille of the 2nd and 3rd Gen pickups, Dodge has always done a fantastic job with their trucks. The 4th Gen, though, it needed a bit of a reboot. I mean, after all, Dodge had run them mostly unchanged for almost a decade. While the truck had seen great success over that decade, we would be lying if we said that the design wasn't a bit tired and dated towards the end. Good news though, Ram listened. Introduced at the North American International Auto Show in Detroit in 2018, Ram dropped a massive rework on their pickup trucks by launching the 5th Gen. This new redesign featured a more aerodynamic exterior design, full LED headlights in certain trims, and either black or chrome bumpers. All of the grills now feature the big Ram lettering, which you guys have come to love, which was only previously available on higher trim packages. Also new for this generation, Ram only offered these trucks in a quad cab 4-door, which to your average Joe is known as an extended cab, or a 4-door crew cab configuration. Sorry, regular cab fans, Ram discontinued this configuration simply because there was low sales. When it comes to power plants, the 5th Gen Ram delivers. It offers a whole fleet of engine options to fit your needs. At the bottom of the spectrum is the 3.0 liter Eco Diesel, which is perfect for those guys that are putting tons of miles on their pickups annually. This is actually the same Eco Diesel that's coming in both the Gladiator and the Wranglers. On the other end of the spectrum, in true Ram fashion, is the unadulterated 5.7 liter Hemi V8, which makes 395 horsepower and 410 foot-pounds of torque, which is unchanged from the 4th Gen trucks. In addition, all of these engine options are available with what Dodge calls their e-torque mild hybrid system, which is just a really fancy way of saying it has a hybrid assistance system that helps give the truck both better fuel economy and an increase in the towing capacity. All engines are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and can be had in either the 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive configurations. The biggest change to the 5th Gen trucks is the massive overhaul that the interiors got. When it comes to interiors, they kind of got it going on. Their mid-level speaker system is made by Alpine, which is no slouch, with Harman Kardon being on the top tier of their package. Oh yeah, and their top tier, it has 19 freaking speakers. It's dubbed as the highest end factory audio system ever installed in a full-size truck. Additionally, the newly redesigned interior promised to offer more head and legroom, also promised to contain the most genuine leather used in any full-size truck, which it did. On top of all that, the limited trim features a ton more stitched leather bits on the interior and is dubbed as the most luxurious full-size pickup available in its class. Bold statements by Ram, but to be honest with you, they're absolutely correct. When it comes down to it, the 5th Gen Ram interiors simply cannot be beat. They come with a 12-inch touchscreen. That's a whole iPad in the dash. All of this is neat and all, but I'm sure at least one of you is wondering, how big of wheels and tires can I put on it? Good news for you, Ram has always had a great knack for stuffing entirely too large of wheels and tires into their wheel wells, and the 5th Gen is no exception to that rule. With something as simple as a leveling kit, you can clear 33s, and with a little trimming, you can even stuff a 35 on a 12 wide in there. Add a lift kit, and suddenly 37s aren't that hard to attain. In fact, we actually just did a top 5 suspension video on these trucks, which you can find right here. Plus, with a wide array of color options from the factory, you should have no problem finding a wheel choice that looks, absolutely prime on your truck. What do you guys think about the 5th gen Ram? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let us know down in the comments section below. And as always, wheels, tires, suspension, customoffsets.com. We out.